In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gogeta Blue in Dragon Ball Legends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Gogeta Blue, the main strengths, and how you can effectively use this character. So, a crucial part of his kit is going to be the unique gauge. This gauge here is going to be filled periodically by specific actions, getting hit, and so on, and you will be able to use it as a counter. This is what sets this unit apart from others, but of course you still have different moves, abilities that you can use. The main thing regarding this counter or this unique gauge is that once it is filled, you will be able to counter enemy attacks. So basically, once you see this gauge filled, it will automatically stop blast cards, blast blue cards, and blast green cards, and this fires back with a counter. So once an enemy sends an attack your way, if you have this gauge filled, good to go, then an animation will play out. So as soon as the attack is going to connect, you will see this animation of him deflecting the attack and following it up with a counter. So as soon as this unique gauge is filled, you will be protected against certain attacks. If the gauge is full and you get hit with a blast or projectile blue, it will activate no matter what. Besides this, you will have the standard moveset and other combos that you can do. But the main thing is always going to be the counter that you have access to. So this unique gauge allows you to strategize in different ways because you will be effectively immune against certain attacks, and your opponent needs to watch out for when he actually has an opening. If he tries to attack you while you have this counter gauge filled to 100%, then the attack will be rendered useless, and you will even be able to deal some damage in return. So it's a different game for you and your opponent to see when they can approach. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Gogeta Blue in Dragon Ball Legends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.